let's learn the structure of simple mathematical equation. But first, some vocabularies. This expression consists of 4 terms. Terms? Well, here the terms are 3 times 4, 4 divided by 2, 3 times 4 divided by 5, and 7. As you can see, a term can be multiplication of numbers, division of numbers, multiplication and division of numbers, or just a number. Now the thing is that while multiplications and divisions act on numbers inside a term, additions and subtractions act on terms. For example, this addition doesn't combine this 4 and that 4, but it combines these 2 whole terms. Thus the familiar order of operations. We multiply and divide numbers inside the terms first, and only then we add or subtract the terms. By the way, those numbers inside a term are called factors. Thus, the first term has 2 factors, 3 and 4. The second term has also 2 factors, 4 and, since factors are those that multiply 1 over 2, the third term has 3 factors, those, and the last one, 1 factor, 7. So, what is mathematical equation? Well, it's 2 mathematical expressions connected by equal sign, like so. Basically, it says that the result of operations on the left is equal to that on the right. So the structure of mathematical equations is 2 sides, each consists of terms which consists of factors. Okay, next time we'll talk about that thing. But for now, thank you very much for watching.